Hey y'all, welcome to the Malcolm Motors YouTube channel.
Alright everybody, here we have Donald the dump truck. We got it dropped off today. It's not in that great of a shape, but it ain't nothing that's going to be too bad. It's been sitting for around 13-14 years was the last time it was insured. Still full, of course. We got tires pretty bad, but on the way here trying to get it off the trailer, had a little bit of a brake accident and busted a brake line. So we had a little bit of a brake problem, and it was a state-owned dump truck. But we got it home now, so we can get to working on it. But it is a 1987 Ford F600 370 engine in it. But it does not look too bad under the hood. It's missing a few intake hoses. All the belts are there. Radiator has fluid in it. Now, what we've gone ahead and done is rerouted the fuel system to see if we can get it to crank. So, we're going to take the time now to see if it will crank for the first time. If we look inside, we do have a little bit of a problem. Seat's a little ripped, got a little bit of a hole in the floor, and a little bit of mess. But there's no glass that is cracked. That window's down, it's not cracked or broke. So overall, everything should be fixable. Stick around and find out.